What's up, my people? What's up? We have right here the fuel multi-tool, 4 amp hour battery, and this is the fuel multi-tool. Comes with this nice bag, charger. All right, fuel M12, and it came with the 4 amp hour battery. Not only that, it also came with this, the old brush version of the multi-tool. Now, here's the deal. I heard, and I might be mistaken, that this is a lot more powerful, right? This is a lot more better. It's way better than this, yes. But from what I was looking at YouTube, other channels and stuff like that, this one may not be as powerful and faster than this one. But this one, this brush model, the regular brush model M12, is this one has better features, believe it or not, than this one, than this brushless model. Don't tune me out real quick. Don't tune me out real quick. Let me explain why. This one gives you a more precision cut. Even though this is not more powerful, even though that this one is not more faster of a cut, this one gives you more of a straight cut. Now, I could be mistaken, but this, this whole setup, what I purchased, altogether came less than $200. I think came up to $190. With this battery alone, 4 amp hour battery alone, with the charger, it's around $100 to $80 on a good day. This tool alone, right here, is around $150, $120. You could possibly get it with a bundle set, maybe for $160. But I don't know about this battery. I'm not 100% sure. But for $190, just to have a backup and multi-tool, I think that's a pretty good deal. There was a better one a couple of months back that had 2 fuel, but I said, you know what, I'm just gonna get this one. And I might not even keep this because I got too many tools right now. But I just wanted to show you guys that it was available, and the price did went up. So, but yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys what was available. If you guys are interested, let me know. Peace. We are out.